We started Misen with a simple belief that people deserve access to quality kitchen tools at fair prices, because it doesn't matter if you're a professional chef or just trying to get a quick meal ready at home. Good tools will help you cook better. Now, we're thrilled to be back on Kickstarter, launching our most requested product to date. Introducing the Essentials Nonstick Pan. No gimmicks, no crazy marketing claims, no BS. Just incredible durability and long-lasting performance at a price that's fair and honest. Before we dive into the Misen pan, let's take a look at what's wrong with other nonstick pans. Chances are that many of you have a nonstick pan that looks like this and performs like this, because the truth is that even the most expensive nonstick cookware will stop being effective once the coating wears off, which it will. So for ages, people have had two options: buy cheap nonstick pans that wear away in weeks or months, or expensive ones that may last a bit longer but will still need to be replaced no matter what. Both options seem pretty bad to us, so we decided to make something better. Our goal was simple: create an insanely long-lasting and durable nonstick pan and sell it for a price that's fair, affordable, and won't make you upset when you eventually have to replace it years later. We nailed it. A great nonstick pan should do three things well. 1, stay nonstick for a really long time. 2, distribute heat evenly for better cooked food. And 3, feel comfortable when you're holding it. Here's how we did all three. Now, the Misen nonstick system is actually made of two key parts. First, we use the highest quality, PFOA-free nonstick coating available today for unparalleled durability, release, and scratch resistance. Second, in order to make our pans even more durable, we added an innovative plasma primer layer beneath the pan's top coating. Infused with titanium, the plasma layer is 2.5 times more effective than the traditional primers other pans use. Working together, our nonstick coating and plasma primer form a nonstick system that is absurdly durable and provides long-lasting performance. For the base of our pan, we chose a 4.2mm commercial-grade aluminum construction. This thick base ensures a flat, even cooking surface for the life of your pan and provides amazing heat distribution and retention for better cooked foods. On the bottom of our pan, we bonded a stainless steel plate so that it's compatible with any heat source. Gas, electric, induction, they all work. It's important your pan feels comfortable and balanced when you're using it. The Misen pan has a cast stainless steel handle riveted to the base for a strong, reliable bond that will last. The pan also features a removable silicone grip with a textured bottom for incredible comfort and control. This silicone grip also ensures that the handle stays cool even as the pan heats up. So how is it that we can make a nonstick pan that performs better than expensive ones that cost well over $100 and sell it for a fraction of the price? Simple. By cutting out traditional retail middlemen and selling directly to you, we're able to offer incredible quality at wholesale pricing. We launched Misen right here on Kickstarter over 3 years ago, and we wouldn't be here without your support. For the past 18 months, we've obsessed over every single design detail of this pan. And once we made it, we tested the hell out of it.
Our tooling is finished and we're ready to start production.
We're so excited to be back on Kickstarter, where we can share each step of the manufacturing process with you.